basement's underwater again. So let's see what it is that we've lost. Something wet here. Okay. Yeah, the entirety of my son's room. There's his leather jackets. That's destroyed. Okay. Oh, look, he's lucky he had his thing off of the ground here. Oh. Yeah. His sleeping bag is under the water. His electronics is underwater.
Oh, no, it wasn't on the ground earlier. Ethan
yes.
brought it up. Ethan saved the day.
Really?
Yeah, Ethan saved the day.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to have to start...
Oh, well, Zion's boots and clothes are all fine. That's
no,
good.
some of it, but some of it's sitting over here in the corner, so I need to get a plastic bag to start, like, seeing what it is that we've got to get out from under the water here.
It's like...
This whole mat. That's okay. Some of it, a lot of the stuff will be able to be washed, and then some of the stuff is...
Those are okay, because they're in the basket.
We'll just have to start collecting stuff. Here, go ahead and... I told you, what are you doing without your shoes? Go get your shoes on.
All right.
Go get your shoes on.
What?
Thanks. Oh, it didn't... Where's it coming from? Oh, the outside. Oh, it's coming up from it. Oh, I see. It melted again because they didn't fix... Yeah. Oh. Super. Oh, what did we lose in here again? Oh. Okay. We'll see. Don't know yet. Okay. All right. Yeah, totally full. Water's from the outside melting again. All right. Okay. All right. Good enough. Didn't hit this side, huh? Oh yeah, there's water in here too. It just didn't get in enough. Alright, well, let's just start taking things up to the garage, I guess. Okay. Yeah.